Hello. Let's talk about some irritating things that people do on Zoom. Oh, jeez. Honestly, I'm not even sure which one to start with. I think one of the most irritating ones.
My network is not working. My network. I can't hear. My network. It's hanging. There's no sound. My network is not working. Yes. Okay. I can't hear.
Who cares about your network? Please, can you go and speak to your network provider? Go to all of them and announcing. Fix your network and join there's nothing anybody here can do. I can't hear. Everybody else can hear. The webinar has been going on for the past 7 minutes. You are the only one that cannot hear. And you are typing it in the chat box. I can't hear. Please.
Please use your participant list to raise up your hand if you'd like to speak. See, I'm raising my hand. These people are not even calling me. They're just calling the people they like. I'm raising my hand. Hello. They will only be calling their own people. I hate all this online thing. I can't just wait for the real world to come back. New normal.
This one is for teachers. Please, go through the settings on Zoom. If you don't want to go through any training, go through all the settings, figure out what the settings are, and your children will not write on your screen. And they won't share their slides when you are teaching. Who is writing on the screen? And you're panicking. Come on. Bro, be a pro.
Can you look directly at the camera? Can you look ahead of you? What is?
Some of us come for Zoom meeting. Like secret dodo. Well done. Thought leader. So it's all about content. You are scaring us. Go and scare your husband or your wife at home. Brush your teeth. You can even smell your mouth from the Zoom. Spare us. Whether it's Facebook or Instagram Live or whatever it is. Spare us. Stop punishing us. Some of you even come. Brush your teeth. What is that? It's disrespectful. Nobody's forced you to be online now. And then you come and somebody is traumatized. They can't sleep at night just because you came to speak online. I'll be having nightmares. Be good now. Put some powder on. Put your earrings on. Look good. The internet doesn't forget. Remember, even this one that I'm doing now, I know that I'll be in trouble. They'll come and show it one day when I want to be president.
RonkePosh for president. RonkePosh for president.
But the devil will not. The devil will be trying all sorts of things, but God will not allow. Shazigbo, fine girl living with like this, But I won't come to webinar like this. Nah, remember. This is how some people will be Zoom. You'll be looking for them in the video. Hello guys. Today we're going to be talking about parenting. The Parent Guys group is the most amazing group. We'll be 4 years and we'll be old on the 1st of September, and we'll be doing a giveaway. Where are they? Oh, then you'll be fine. Hello guys. Hey. Stay in the middle. Make sure there's not too much space from your head to the top. Be centered. Okay? Not.
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to this webinar. Thank you. I'm just waiting for people to join the webinar. Okay? Thank you. It's good to see you. Oh, it's good to see you, Mr. Egg. Oh, good to see you. How do you? I can't share my screen. I want to share my screen. I can't share it. I'm pressing it. I can't share my screen. Okay.
My people go survive. My people go survive. Nigeria go survive. COVID will survive.